Wahala for city boy chairman for Ijoland. My people, make we reason this matter small. Out of every 20 Ijo community, na only 3 chairman and Royal Highness dey actually stay for their community. The rest na full-time city boys. Abuja, Port Harcourt, Lagos, Warri, Yenagoa executive. Even the 3 wey dey around, one na ceremonial caretaker wey others don already hijack the real deal. One na family matter tie am down. The other community no get resources. But here comes the real wahala. Once money land, project fund show face, allocation drop, all of them go show face sharp sharp. No excuse, no delay. But when yawa gas, serious matter wey need authority, everybody go begin answer im papa name. Phone go switch off. Where chairman dey silent. Highness nko, meeting upon meeting. The true talk be say, leadership no be only when alert enter. If you fit show face when money come, you suppose show face when problem alert too. My brother man and sister woman, follow me for more true talk wey no dey look face. I salute una. Ado.